This psycho ex-girlfriend right here completely loses it when the cops don't take her side. Check this out.
Hey! Hey, stop right there!
For what?
I just need to speak to you.
For what?
I need to speak to you.
I don't want to talk to you. I don't have to talk to you.
Hey!
What do you want?
Alright, you match the description of someone that was physically fighting. I just need your statement. What happened?
Ma'am, and I asked him, I said, so you sat here and you cheated on me with her. She put her phone down.
Take some breaths.
She put her phone down like she was getting ready to attack me.
Okay, who? Where is she?
She over there.
Is she back?
Yeah, with them people. She put her phone down like she was finna hit me. Yes, I was over there yelling, but she put her phone down like she was finna hit me.
Were you physically fighting?
Yes, we was.
Okay.
Both of us was fighting.
Okay, take some breaths. Calm down, okay? Where is she?
She over there in the corner.
Okay, what is she wearing?
I don't know, a tank top, t-shirt, I don't know. She fat and white. She put her phone down like she was finna, like she wanted to fight.
Are you hurt at all?
No.
You're not hurt at all?
No, I'm good.
Okay, just stay right here till we get more officers here.
More officers for what? I defended myself.
We need to know exactly what happened. We're investigating.
What happened?
Okay, I'm gonna have to...
Don't touch me.
Okay.
Don't touch me. For what?
I am trying to be...
Are you not my witness?
Yes, she didn't do nothing.
I know, but we need to wait for the other officers so we can get both stories.
For what?
Just stay right here. That's it. While we investigate, you have to stay here.
Did she not put her phone down like she was getting ready to fight me?
And I believe what you're saying. Okay? I believe what you're saying. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I do not.
Okay, what's your name? Is she injured at all, do you know?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know, but we both got witnesses, so they can't sit here and say nothing because I walked over there to confront him.
Okay. Who's your boyfriend?
This is my current boyfriend. Okay. Because he lied and made it seem like he just and all this other crap.
Okay.
So when I went over there to confront him, I'm pointing at him and her. And this you. I didn't put my hands on nobody until she put her phone down like she was finna get up, like she wanted to fight.
Okay. 24:43. I'm out with one female half. The other female half is going to be closer to the water.
So we both got witnesses. This is he say, she say.
Yeah, no, I believe everything you're telling me, okay?
I ain't got no reason to lie.
But just part of our investigation,
that's fine.
You just have to say.
I don't have any reason to lie. They gonna tell you something different, and we know the truth.
I know.
Hello. Hi, Officer Moore, Joliet Police. All right, so what happened?
All right, so this is what happened. Me and my boyfriend, first over there, me and my boyfriend, he got a fro as we was leaving. So I walked over, I told him to hold on. And whole time I'm in his face like this. I haven't even said nothing to her. I'm like, so you really wanted to be with somebody else? That's all you had to say. Now he's steady walking to her, trying to shield her like I'm trying to fight her. Whole time I'm in his face. So she gave the girl her phone and she was getting ready to stand up like she was finna square up and wanted to fight.
Okay.
So I defended myself. So what, I'm supposed to just sit back and let her hit me? No, this wasn't even about her. This was about... And he's my witness right here. I ain't got no reason to lie. But she was sitting here acting like she was finna fight me.
You said you just defended yourself. She got up, and then she kind of jumped up and acted like you want to fight.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Put your hand behind your back.
What did I do?
Put your hand behind your back.
What did I do?
Step back.
What did I do? I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything.
Got one running.
I don't care.
Get on the fucking... Then don't run. Step back. Step back.
That's my wife, sir. That was not my wife.
Step back. You're gonna
fine, you can take how you want. That's my wife.
Step back.
Okay.
Step back.
What did I do?
Go ahead.
What did I do? What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do? What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do?
Turn over.
No, you ain't even telling me what I did.
Turn over.
No.
Turn over.
You're not even telling me what I did.
Under arrest.
For what? what?
Put your hands behind
For what? I haven't done anything. Officer Moore, I haven't done anything.
You did a lot now.
What did I do?
Battery resisting.
I did not hit you.
25, we got him in custody.
Officer Moore, please. Okay. I haven't done anything.
23.
23, go ahead.
As of now, and I have a female for ag battery
Officer
CO,
Moore, I haven't done anything.
break.
Officer Moore.
We'll have another male in custody.
I'm going to lift
for
you up.
obstructing. Taser deployed on both of them.
Officer Moore, please.
One female for
There's nothing to
battery,
appease about now.
male in custody.
Officer Moore, please. I was telling you the truth.
We're past that now.
Officer Moore, please. I'm telling you the truth, please.
We're past that. We are past that. Okay?
Officer Moore,
You
please.
understand?
Officer Moore, please. Will you please listen to me, please? Why do we have to? Why? What did I do, Officer Moore?
You resisted and you pushed me. So there's that.
Officer Moore,
There's
I'm
that.
sorry. I didn't mean to. Please. Officer Moore, please. Officer Moore, please. I didn't mean to push you. I
That's fine.
promise. I listen.
Nothing personal.
Can I please finish what I'm saying?
Sure.
Officer Moore, I shouldn't have ran.
Yeah.
And I apologize.
Okay.
Why did you pop her so quick? You never explained what happened. You never explained the charge, no nothing. You
Officer
straight
Moore,
up just ran and grabbed her. You didn't say
Please,
nothing.
I
Like,
haven't
what was
done
the charge,
anything
no
wrong.
nothing.
Please.
You need
I'm
ambulance?
sorry for pushing you.
You need ambulance?
No.
Okay. Sir, do you need ambulance?
No, I'm Gucci.
Ain't wrong. I was defending myself. So you gonna take me to jail and not her?
Yep.
Are you serious? That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. How they gonna take me to jail? That's not fair.
Get back. Stop screaming. Stop screaming.
No, because I haven't did anything. No, because I haven't did anything.
The woman was charged with battery, aggravated battery on a law enforcement, and resisting arrest.